Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making a gluten-free mug cake using some ripe bananas. Take about 2 bananas and chop and blend them, or just smash them using a spoon. Add in some choco chips, about 1 teaspoon of flour. Mix it well and keep it aside. Take 1 egg white and beat it well. Now add in about 4 teaspoons of oats flour, or you can also use self-rising flour or wheat flour. I have just taken some oats and grinded it well. Mix it well with the egg white so that it does not form any lumps. Now add in about 1 teaspoon of peanut butter. We are not using oil here, so you can use peanut butter or any other nut butter. Now add in about a pinch or 2 of cinnamon powder. It gives a nice flavor to the cake. It's optional. And also add 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar. Alternatively, you can use brown sugar or coconut sugar or honey. Mix all these ingredients well. And the most important ingredient, baking powder. Add half teaspoon of it. Add vanilla essence to this mixture. It's a very easy recipe. You just have to mix all the ingredients together and make a fabulous cake out of it. Now add in the banana mixture. If it is for the kids, you can add more choco chips to it. Now microwave the mixture for about 1 minute. A very healthy, moist mug cake is ready. Serve it with a scoop of ice cream. Hope you like this recipe. Do like, share and subscribe, and leave your queries in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.